So I got asked recently about the wiring that I did for my dash cam and my Subaru, and I'll show you guys what exactly I jacked into here. But you can see this is the power line for the wiring harness I got for it. It's going into number 29 for the fuses. The ground wire I have right here. It's actually got, I don't know why it's like that, but that's the ground wire right there. This is metal, this is plastic, so no biggie there. It's been grounding just fine. I've had this set up now for over 6 months. I've had no issues with anything. The wiring's held up just fine. The camera powers on and off with the key switch like it should. It's honestly been a pretty solid setup. So the links to all this stuff that I used, including the dash cam, are in the description if you choose to go with the stuff that I got. But other than that, yeah, that's how I did it. Number 29.